Hello everyone. So after a long time we are uploading another video. Meanwhile we have analyzed and used many AI tools, and one of the AI tools that got a good hype, not hype but actually it is very good, is Genspark AI. So it is available in your iOS and Android application markets. So I have downloaded the app. This is the homepage, you can say, of the app, and in the homepage you can see there are many things. So it is they generally call this kind of searches as Spark, and you can see all those Spark, and here the typical chat option that you can chat with, the options provided by the agent. Now, one of the thing that made it special was this one, agents. So you can see once you clicked on agents, you will see Genspark Super Agent, Agentic Deep Research, Call for Me. It's new, but again, it is limited for US, Canada, and Japan. Agentic Fact Check, Agentic Data Table. So you can do many things. So let's try quickly Agentic Fact Check. Okay. Oh, tell me if uh, the carbon footprint is a real thing, and what is the impact on our planet. What is it? Okay, what's its impact on our planet? So let's see. Okay. So the story is carbon footprint was coined by British Petroleum just to make every one of us guilty about that we are all part of polluting our planet. They have something to do with the oil refineries, which they were kind of uh, affecting the environment. So here we see, so this kind of agents, they took time. So how agents are working, they split the job. So it will start looking out for various resources available and pick out the sources which are now again trusted. So you can see I need to gather more information on the scientific evidence about carbon footprints impacting our planet, and more specific about the scientific standards for measuring carbon footprints. So you can see in parallel, you can see it is also giving uh, the links with which he is trying to get out the information. It will take time, of course. Meanwhile, if we want to view, we can just see what is your carbon footprint, and all those things happening. So again, gathering more data, how carbon footprints are measured. So while we are working on our computer, while we are using Chat GPT, Cloudy, or any kind of AI models, simple computing, we are leaving a carbon footprint on our planet. So this is more like a granular thing with a very high impact. And let's figure it out. Like, is it now I have sufficient evidence to provide a comprehensive fact check about carbon footprints and their impact on our planet? So apart from trying the this AI tool, Genspark AI, we'll be also checking a fact. whether it's just a fact or it has something real or some value in it as well. So once it has went through all his research and collected all the information, then now it is organizing the evidences, which the collected evidences. Let's see. Also, I will just try to, okay, here you can see analyzed URLs for product carbon footprint. And so in the back end, you can see in the back end, it is our research is still going on. The Genspark AI agent is still working on. But meanwhile, we are just looking out the options or the links that Genspark AI agent went through to collect the information. So image is there. What standards are used for carbon footprints measurements? Interesting. Okay, fact check. Carbon footprints are real, but their focus on individual responsibility has been questioned. Yes. So that is what I was talking about. What is carbon footprint? A scientifically established measurement of total greenhouse gas emissions caused directly and indirectly by an individual, organization, event, or product. Uh, if you all know, then it's better. But if you are new to this topic, I think it will be a good thing or good value added, information added in your knowledge base. So measurement, okay, the LCA, the life cycle assessment is done. So the impact of carbon emissions on our planet, okay. You can see the global warming is happening all throughout the world. Increase of CO2, methane, carbon dioxide emissions are main cause of future global warming. Controversy is that in 2000, okay, company BP popularized the new term carbon footprint and brought counting carbon emissions down to individual level as part of public relations, yes, PR campaign. So that is what I refer to. So critics are also there, that argument. So conclusion is carbon footprints are scientifically valid measurements with some methodologies accurately quantify greenhouse gas emissions. Interesting. To effectively address climate change, both individual actions and systematic change involving corporate and governmental policy are necessary. Sound okay. So with that, a good social message while exploring this amazing generative AI tool. We will be using some of the tools, exploring some of the tools or some of the options provided by Genspark AI. For the time being, install it and use it yourself.